MVP. Today's Semper Gumby challenge is called Screen and Sweat. What things can you do to get your daily exercise in while you're already looking at several screens? For example, we're going to pan down. We've installed an exercise bicycle underneath the desk. While we're on our screens, we are certainly sweating. We're starting with some heavy leg weights. If those are too heavy for you, come off, put on a lighter set. Drop the heavy ones, put on some lighter ones. Keep on spinning. If you can't spin with those anymore, drop the light ones, spin with no weights. If you do not have leg weights, your combat boots are heavy enough, they'll work just fine. That is your first Screen and Sweat. So it's chow time. And if you're like me, probably bring the screen to the dinner table. So far so good. Here's another Screen and Sweat opportunity. And that's Screen and Sweat at the dinner table. Maybe you like to take your chow to the couch while you're watching your favorite show, which is another screen. Just another opportunity to screen and sweat. And that's your Semper Gumby challenge for today.